Hey everyone, Mike DiDonato here from Fiamma Canada, and today we're going to do a milk system clean on the Jura GIGA10. For this process, you're going to need the milk cleaning container that comes with your machine and the Jura milk cleaning tablets. Now the machine will only ask you to do this process if you've made a milk drink. We don't recommend doing it after every drink, but I would definitely say you should do it at the end of the day. To start the process, you're going to enter the Jura GIGA10 cockpit and you're going to select Clean the Milk System. The next thing you're going to do is get your container, add your single shot of Jura cleaning tablets, and insert the tube. The machine will then draw the solution into the frother and dispense it into the second chamber of your container. Now, once the GIGA10 has drawn all the solution and run it through the frother into the secondary chamber, it will then take fresh water from the water tank and rinse the frother using that water. Once that process is done, you simply remove the container and you're finished. You've officially cleaned your Jura GIGA10 milk frother. Thanks for watching. Check out our Instagram at Fiamma_Canada for some fun and cool content. And check out our website, fiamma.ca, for all your cleaning product needs.